everyone and anyone can do to save our environment.
So before knowing what are those 9 things are, if you are new to our channel, please make sure that you subscribe our channel and press that bell icon so that you'll get all the notifications whenever we upload a video. Now let's get into the video and see what are those 9 things are.
Do you know the way we cut open the plastic packets also has an impact on our earth? Instead of snipping off at the end and separating the small piece like this, if all of us open the packet without separating, like I'm showing it here, we'll be stopping some lakhs of plastic pieces getting in the garbage and entering the ocean, affecting the marine life, as small pieces of plastic cannot be recycled. Just a small cut saves our planet Earth.
Guys, whenever you are leaving your room, make sure that you are switching off the lights and fans, because we all know that the electricity is produced by coal and water. The more electricity we use, the government makes sure that it is producing more electricity by using the water. And for producing more or for giving more power to the cities, it is giving power cuts to the village people. They are suffering a lot with power cuts because they have to plan all their activities within the time when there is power. So if you are consuming less electricity, the government might give more electricity hours to the village people. So it will help for both environment and also for village people. We all know that the farming activities are done in the villages. So if more power is given to them, they will also produce more food for us too. So it is a benefit and also a win-win situation for both of us.
Instead of using plastic toothbrush, use a bamboo brush that's absolutely biodegradable. Bamboo toothbrush is eco-friendly and BPA-free. Plastic toothbrush takes 500 years to decompose, which means your first toothbrush is still on earth. Whereas bamboo toothbrush takes less than 4 months to decompose. It's even cheaper, also it's small yet significant step towards saving our environment.
If you are going outside for a short distance like buying groceries or to meet a friend, make a habit of going on foot, or if you have a bicycle you can use that too. Because even for small distances, if you are using a car or motorcycle, they release a lot of harmful gases into the atmosphere like carbon monoxide, methane, like that. So if we are reducing the vehicles for commutation for short distances, it might help environment a lot. So not only going by bicycle or on foot is helpful for the environment, it also makes a great help for our body, because it is a physical exercise which we are lacking nowadays, and also physical exercise helps our immunity a lot, which is more important these days in this pandemic situation. So whenever you are going out for smaller distances or very short places, you can opt for walking or bicycling.
Growing your own greens. By growing your own garden, you are the one to decide what goes on your plants and into your soil, allowing you to reduce the amount of harmful chemicals polluting our environment. Organically growing your own food is sustainable. Also, it's therapeutic as gardening is natural stress reliever. Growing your own vegetable garden saves a lot of money on groceries. Also, pollution that's caused due to transportation will also be reduced a lot. If you are too busy, growing hydroponics with automatic water dripping system will also do. Also, you don't need a lot of space to grow your own greens. A small space by the window will also do. If you think growing vegetables takes a lot of time and effort, you are wrong. There are few vegetables, especially microgreens, that are easy to grow and way healthier.
As we get older, we throw away the clothes into the trash that don't fit us. But do you know how much water does it take to make a pair of blue jeans? It is almost 1800 gallons of water. It is the complete water used to produce enough cotton to make a pair of jeans and also to stitch it. And for a shirt, it is 400 gallons of water. So from the next time, if it is possible, try to reuse your old jeans, like to make it crop tops or midis like that. If it's not possible, make sure that you are donating it to someone else. If you have younger sisters or brothers, give it to them. Otherwise, give it to people who are in need so that they won't buy again new clothes, such that everything can be reused and a lot of water can be saved. We all know that plastic takes almost 20 to 500 years to degrade based on the material and composition they are using. Not only they decompose very slow, but also worn out very easily. If they get a small hole, we can't use for the second time. But cloth and jute bags are different. They can be used for many months and many years if we keep them carefully. So make sure that from next time onwards you are using cloth, jute and also paper bags, because these are all biodegradable.
Hope you like the video, and we really hope you do as much as you can to save our environment in your way possible.
Guys, if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching. All more fam.